Tell me red on red doesn't really work well. Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we'll be taking a close look at the new 2026 China variant of hydraulic Ramone, which is so far available in 2026 case A, and I believe case C as well. I am not 100% sure on that one yet, but looking at it, it looks like he will be back in future cases. So yeah, I managed to get this one from my good friend Tom over on Instagram. He is available in Smith's Toys Superstore as well, but you know, I literally went to 4 different Smith's Toys, and every single time this guy was gone. Like, how? Like, red on red really doesn't work, but still the most popular one in the case next to Chris Roman and Speedy Comet, I guess. I mean, Speedy Comet isn't actually even that popular. But anyways, yes, taking a close look at the packaging now, we can see the Cars logo, the usual hydraulic Ramone artwork, the diecast, which we'll be taking a close look at in today's video. We can see the Mattel logo with the updated, you know, outlining around it. Mattel vehicle, which is really cool. And yep, we can see the promo image on the back here is the original Chinese version. Yep, you can see here made in China as well. So yeah, that is pretty much it for the package of this hydraulic Ramone. There is actually a Thailand variant available in a 5-pack or a couple of 5-packs. Sadly, I don't actually have that one out of the packaging because it is available to a 5-pack, and the UK only get a certain amount of 5-packs each year. So yeah, anyways, let's get straight into the unboxing of this hydraulic Ramone. So here we have the hydraulic Ramone out of the packaging, and I gotta say, this Ramone is really cool looking, especially from China. Now, I wish I could compare him to the Thailand variant available in those 2 5-packs, one of which is on your screen now, which is the one I do have, but obviously I don't have it out of the packaging, so I can't really do a full comparison. So this is just a review on this Ramone, and it is absolutely amazing. Just take a close look at this metallic red. It looks really cool. So yeah, on the middle of your screen now is where he appeared in the first movie of Cars. Just an iconic Ramone. And I guess we could do a China versus China comparison of these two here. So yeah, this is the raised eyes variant of Ramone. There is also a flat eyes variant, which you can probably see the colour difference, which I'll get into in just a minute here. But this is his first release way back in 2007. I believe this is actually his 2008 release. So yeah, you can see the difference here just in the red. It is dramatically different. You can also see they've added that silver lining now down towards the hood, whereas before it was just this plain red. They were also filled in his teeth, so that is a really good thing as well. So I'm glad they did that. Obviously the eyepiece is a plastic piece, so it's not part of the body, whereas this one is a unibody. We've got old China on the top, new China on the bottom. And if you look, they don't actually add the wording on the side here for his tyres. As you can see, if I zoom way in there, low and slow, I believe is what it actually reads. Low and slow, yeah, low and slow. So that is really cool. Zoom out for you guys. Just see the colour difference. Although they don't have the indented door now, it is just like not there. I mean, I guess it is an upgrade or a downgrade, however you like to see this sort of stuff. But you know, overall I really do like this updated Ramone here. Going on to the back, the low and slow license plate is obviously still there. Really cool. And obviously the indentation of the radiator springs logo there as well, with the Ramone's House of Body Arts, is not present on the old China. You can just see the orange-red colour difference. Is very vibrant. A lot different as well. So yeah, a lot of differences throughout the, you know, I guess 19 years of these two being released. I think that is right, 19 years. Roughly, my math ain't mathing. Here is the base if you are interested. Obviously, you can see it says Chevrolet. Disney Pixar made it in China to 115 EAA. Really cool. And I did want to compare him to you know, the flat eyes version, which is this one here, which will obviously be about 2015, 2014. Yep, you see the base code there suggests 2014. So yeah, overall it is still pretty much the same as previous. The rim color is, I guess, slightly different compared to the older one, and obviously they have added that low and slow detailing on the rims there, which is a big bonus. Especially I do want to compare him to the mini racer variant now. Obviously that doesn't have his teeth filled in, and yep, this is a Thailand release of the mini racer, so I guess this will be like more accurate to this one, because that doesn't have the window painted in like the other China variants that I have shown already. Yeah, there is those variants. There is also this metallic variant here. Yes, I know it is dented as anything. I'm glad I still have a brand new one in packaging, released in 2010. You can see it is more like a copy of that one, I guess you could say. I still really need a newer one, like a replacement of this one open. Maybe I'll do that in the future, but for now I'm not entirely too bothered. Yeah, but you can see it was released in, I can't even tell, it's that badly damaged on the base here. See if there was a white code anywhere. Nope, not at all. It's just impossible to tell when that was released, but it was around 2009 and 10. And then there are also two lenticular versions of the hydraulic Ramone as well. We got the closing eyes, which was 2009, and then the moving eyes, which was 2010. So yeah, I'm gonna zoom out a little bit for you guys so you can see them all in frame here. Obviously the new China one wins it by a mile because it has the painted teeth, which is something Mattel never done beforehand. But the Disney store did manage to do that, and again, I really need replacements of all these cars. It's just dusty as anything. But you know, just to have the car is my main goal in general, even if it is really badly damaged. I mean, I really do love the gold on the Disney store variant here. Still rolls, so that is the main goal, I suppose. Low and slow license plate, carburetor county. Does it say that on the... Yeah, it does, but it is like really hard to tell. It is there, but just like I said, really impossible to tell the difference. So there is all those guys. Did want to compare it to the on the road Ramone now. Obviously, just one of the most recent Ramone variants out there. Releases. Slow. Thank you to my good friend Tom for obviously sending me another one of these guys to do a video on. We have the new Thailand variant of Lightning Ramone, which again doesn't have the paint, new teeth painted in, but it's just weird. Mattel are just so weird when it comes to releasing cars. Yeah, red and orange. There we go. And of course, can't forget purple Ramone as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it for the comparison for these two. I guess we can actually bring out a flow for you guys, which I did actually forget to do so, but luckily a flow is right next to me, so I could just do quick screenshots for you guys. Feel free to screenshot, obviously screenshot these two from the back, low and slow, and yeah, that is pretty much it for the time being. I think I might change my schedule a little bit, because I think today was the day that the Lightning McQueen Cryptid Buster review was supposed to come out, but I might not. I might just put this one out today as well, the day I'm recording it, the Wednesday. It just depends. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for 24,800 subscribers. I just can't believe it, how close we are to 25. Anyways, until the next video, peace everybody.